Consider the array below. Write an equation involving the distributive property that the array helps to explain. So overall, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 5 by 7 array. Okay, but I've used X's and O's to break that 7 into 4 plus 3. So this is 5 times, instead it is 7, but that 7 is made up of 4 X's and 3 circles. Okay. So the overall array is 5 by 7, or 5 by 4 plus 3 more. But I could also think of it as 2 separate arrays added together. So the X's array is 5 by 4, and the circles array is 5 by 3. So this is 2 separate arrays, a 5 by 4 and a 5 by 3.